What's up, guys? White Squirrel here. Fact of the day. Man, this is really cool. Okay. Dalmatians. You know how Dalmatians are always at the fire department, right? They're like their mascot. Didn't know this, but so when they had like fire carriages, they had horses like taking them, the dogs would go out in front and be like help them like get pedestrians out of the way and stuff. And I was like, what? That's crazy. So they weren't just a mascot, they would help the dog. And they said that they make the horses really calm. I'm like, what? You don't believe me? Look it up. All right, let's go out.